Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get better results from Hailuo AI. First, start with a clear idea of what you want to create. Whether it's a cinematic scene, character video, product clip, or social media content, knowing your goal will help you write a better prompt. Next, describe the important details clearly. Include the main subject, action, environment, lighting, camera movement, and visual style. Avoid adding unnecessary information that could confuse the generation. If you're using an image, choose a clear and high-quality reference image. Then describe only the movement and camera motion you want to add. Keep character descriptions consistent when creating multiple scenes. Reusing the same important details and reference images can help maintain a similar appearance. For better motion, use simple actions such as walking, turning, or slowly moving toward the camera. Avoid combining too many complicated movements in one prompt. After generating your video, preview it carefully. Check the subject, movement, background, lighting, and camera motion. If something doesn't look right, change the specific part of the prompt causing the problem and generate another version. Small adjustments can often improve the result. You can also experiment with different prompts and compare several generations before choosing your favorite. Finally, remember that AI video generation can be unpredictable. The best results often come from testing, refining, and improving your prompts instead of expecting a perfect result on the first attempt. And that's how you can get better results from Hailuo AI.